Hello everyone. First of all, wish you a happy new year. I hope you are doing great at your home, at your office. Today I am very happy to be here with all of you. It's very wonderful day and I feel lucky to share this beautiful moment with you, and we all are here together to talk about something important and special, learning English. So my dear friend, English not just a language, it is a bridge to connect us all over the world. And through English we express our thought, our desire, our dreams, and our ideas with people different parts of the world. And if you talk about me, when I was a school going student, my dream was I wanted to become a good English speaker. And but I was a very shy person, and I did not speak much, and I always thought make afraid to make my mistake. And I share something about me. Last week I have made two conversation video, and after watching my video I realized that while speaking I make many mistakes, and while speaking I was laughing a lot. And so I decided I work my own grammar parts. And now I'm reviewing our mistake, and day by day I improve myself gradually. And nowadays I couldn't get time to make any conversation video. So whenever I get time, I practice myself by making self video. One day something amazing happened to me. My husband told me, you the mistake are not bad, uh, they are they are only step to success. And when every time when you make a mistake you learn something new. And those words stay with me in front of you. And he made me realized that English not about being perfect, it is about trying to learning and growing every day. And so I decided, I start listening English story and try to narrate in my own word. And so my dear friend, if you are a beginner, so start your speaking journey. And if the one who wants to make uh, English speaker 2025, so please take your new year resolution and start your speaking journey with the method of storytelling, and with the method of self making video. So my dear friend, if you start your journey, so go, best of luck and take your new year resolution. Till then, bye bye. And my dear friend, once again wish you a happy new year, all of you. Till then, bye.